If you still think that TikTok is just for dancing trends and kids, you're missing out on a very powerful platform and trending social media advertising option to grow your business this 2023. TikTok has now over 1 billion users and has surpassed other social media apps in terms of downloads in a very short amount of time, specifically during the pandemic. Aside from this, TikTok has also launched TikTok Shop in selected countries and provides a convenient and entertaining approach on e-commerce even without a website. The last 2 quarters of 2022 generated millions of revenue in my business because of TikTok ads paired with TikTok Shop. So if you also want this for your own business or for your clients, make sure to finish this video, apply what you will learn, and of course, prepare to scale your business. Now let's get into it. Before we hop on creating an account, let's first understand and maybe be reminded about this TikTok ad structure, okay? At first, basically, we're going to create a business account for us to have access to the TikTok Business Center. So this is the TikTok Ads Business Center at the top. And then under that, we're going to create an ad account, okay? An ad account which you can access and make ads through the Ads Manager. And after that, after ad account, we're going to create ad campaigns. Okay, now it's not really that much of a different platform with Meta Ads because honestly, it's almost just the same. Only that it has different capabilities than the Meta Ads. Now, there are also difference when it comes to terminologies. Just like for example, this one, ad groups instead of ad set. Okay, you can see there at the top, it's still campaign, where you set the objectives, where you set sometimes the budget. And also here on the second level, this is the ad group level. So this is like the ad sets in Meta Ads. And in this same ad set like level, you're going to put the targeting and also the budget. Next, under those ad groups, you can put more ads. Okay, so basically that's just the campaign structure in TikTok ads. You also need to learn about the ad format. So here are the 5 ad formats currently. We have top view, we have the brand takeover. This top view and brand takeover usually appears when you open the app. And the next one is in-feed ads. Whenever you're scrolling on the For You page, you will see a video with an emphasized button just like that. So it's called in-feed ads. And next are the branded hashtag challenge and the branded effect. The ones that get these ad formats are actually those who are already big brands. So again, these are the ad formats. Usually you can see the in-feed ads and you can make that, especially if you are a small business. Now let's create our own TikTok business account. I already have one for my own business, but I'm going to make a new one for the purpose of this video. So it would be better if you can follow with me while I do the process, okay? Okay, first one, we need to go to tiktok.com/business. So this is the TikTok for Business website. We're going to click create now. And I'm gonna type in my password. You can sign up either via email or via phone. I would prefer to have my email instead of phone for the purpose of this video. So I'm gonna type my password. Type it. Okay, and then click this. Agree to the TikTok commercial terms of service. You can just read that after. And just sign up. I'll choose. It's just for verification. Which ones are in the same shape? So it's letter L. Okay, confirm. Now there will be a confirmation email to be sent. Okay. There you go. It's now confirmed. Now here, we're going to put our country. I'm based in the Philippines. My industry, whatever my business is. So I'm just going to put here services, advertising and PR services, since I'm making it under my personal brand. But on my other account, I have actually chosen e-commerce. For my business name, I'll just put the registered business name. my phone number. There you go. And I'll just agree to the TikTok commercial terms of service and then click register. If you want to win a free one-on-one consultation with me so we can talk more about improving social media ads for your business, just like this video, subscribe and comment one new thing that you learned from this video. Provide some details about the business. Okay, so the business center name, I can just name this John Cornwell, and then I'll put my time zone. Describe your business. I would say I'm an agency first because I have some clients also and I cater also to clients. I'll just put my company name. So if you are an e-commerce business or anything, you want to run ads, you can just put I'm an advertiser. You can just click this and then just declare your company name and your company website. Again, you don't have to build a website for this. You can have your Facebook page or Instagram page. In my case, I'll just put my own personal website there. Okay, and the billing information, of course, you need to put, do you want manual payments or you want automatic payments? So in this case, I'm gonna select automatic. There you go. There. Welcome to TikTok Business Center. It's like the business manager of Meta. So we have here the overview of all accounts, and then you can put here some additional users if you want to give additional access to your teammates. And you also can add partners here. Ideally, if you are a freelancer or someone that runs ad for clients, ideally you should be a partner of another business center. You will have your business center account. Your client will also have another business center account. For advertising accounts, of course, you need to create one because again, that's part of the structure. Okay, so we need to create new here. Click create new. Account name, I'll just put John Cornwell here. And then the time zone, that's very, very important because we have limited features for some time zones and countries. Then your company name, just put my company name here. Okay, and then of course the industry, you're gonna put that. So this is where you can choose if you are an e-commerce, if you want to have the shop purchases campaign objective, then you will click e-commerce. But I will be honest here, I am a services business in my case, so I'll just click that. Okay. Okay, there you go. It actually asks for business document, but it says optional, so I will not be submitting that for the purpose of this video. I'll just maybe upload that in the future. And it says here in review, and yes, they still review before you make the ad account. It may take some time, but it's important for you to make that earlier in the process. Okay, here you can see your audiences if you have created one, catalog, shops, and of course Pixel. Pixel, it's a very important tool for you to track the activities of your website visitors if you have a website. Okay, here as you can see in the TikTok accounts tab here, it says that you can request access to account, but take note, you don't have to have a TikTok account for you to run ads on TikTok. Okay, you can just run ads as someone who's a business and then you don't want to maintain a certain account there on TikTok. But I would recommend that you create one so you can maximize your social media promotions. Now, here, you can actually request access and then generate QR code. Okay, now I'm going to request access to my personal TikTok account. Now, I'm going to go to my TikTok account using my phone. Okay, and then I will go to profile. Okay, I'm gonna recording my screen here. Okay, now I'm here on my TikTok account, and then it says here open the TikTok app and then tap friends. Okay, I tap friends, and then I'll be clicking this icon at the top of the search bar, and then I'll be scanning that code using my phone. Then I will click authorize. There you go, it says account authorized. Now I will click Got it here. So I have now added my TikTok account here in this business center. So that's just an easy way for you to add your TikTok accounts if you have created once and you have one for your business. Okay. Now we go to our ad account. We go back to our ad account. Okay, and again, we're going to use my other ad account so we can also check, and basically we're going to choose the shop purchases option here in the advertising objectives. Okay, again, you have 8 objectives here, and if you want video views, community interaction, for more followers, for more profile visits, you can click those objectives. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to check and choose the shop purchases. Maybe for the other objectives, you can make separate videos. Let me know in the comment section if you want those videos. Okay, click shop purchases. I have connected this with a TikTok shop. Okay, so if you want to know how to create one, let me know also in the comment section. For the campaign name, I'm just going to put here sample. Then I will click continue. I will not set the campaign budget there at the campaign level because the minimum is 2,500 pesos. For many small business, maybe that's already heavy, okay? Heavy amount. And so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to put the budget at the ad group level. Okay, I'm gonna put the ad group name, just sample ad group. Okay, now here in the shop settings, Bakas Apparel Shop, that's my TikTok shop. Okay, that's the TikTok shop that's connected to this business center. I will click video shopping. There are 2 options here, video shopping and then live shopping. I will click video shopping. So basically on the identity, you can run ads using other accounts, okay? But you need to register that or those as marketing accounts, okay? So if you want to have a video about this, again, let me know in the comment section. I'll just proceed here. In the placements, it's only TikTok, that's good. Then user comment, I will allow that. For video download, I will also allow that. Just allow everything as default. Audience here, I will not click this, okay? But you can actually create new audiences like custom audience, lookalike audiences. You can also exclude, and then also you can choose the demographics. So in this case, I can only check the Philippines because this is for TikTok shop. But if you are using other objectives, you can actually choose other countries, but it's only limited depending on which country are you based in. Okay, now here I'm gonna be clicking Philippines, and then here gender, I'll just click all. You can create the age here. I'll just choose this one, 18 to 34. Languages, there are a lot of languages here. And then household income, you can also choose that, but usually it's only available in the US, so I'll just choose all. And then here in the interest and behavior, I know you have a lot of questions about interests, but for the purpose of this video and as my general recommendation in these days, broad targeting is really a way to go, especially if you're just starting. So I would not put interest, but you can put some interest here. You can just check those interests that are related to your niche. For the behavior, you can also target those who have interacted with certain videos. This is a very, very powerful targeting, I would say, because TikTok has been known for this. You can click these options if they have liked, shared, or watched till the end in the period of 7 days or 15 days. Again, this is worth a try. Just try it when you're actually running it in the future. Here, creator interactions, if they have viewed profile or followed certain creators in a particular category. And then here, target using hashtags. This is a very powerful tool. It's going to be life-changing for those brands that have certain hashtags in their niche. Okay, so and also for the device, you can choose that, but in this case, I'll just be choosing all. I'll be targeting to a broad audience for this example. Now here in the budget, as you can see, yes, the minimum is 1,000 pesos, not like Facebook ads right now that you can have at least $1. 1,000 pesos is roughly $20, so you can just put 1,000. And then for the running of the ad, you can choose whether to end in a certain time or date. Okay, but I'll be choosing continuously. I'll not be choosing to end it sometime. And then I'll just click all day, but you can select actually specific time here, whatever time you want for the ads to run. Okay, but I'll just choose all day here. And then here, bidding and optimization, you can choose. This is again one of the nicest things about TikTok ads, because if only you have a TikTok shop, you can actually optimize complete payment, initiate checkout, and click. This is not the same with settling with creating messaging campaigns on Meta ads, because there you can just ask for messages, but you can't really optimize for purchases. But here, somehow you can. And then for the bid strategy, I would always choose lowest cost. But if you have already the data that proves that you really have this maximum amount as your cost per conversion, then you can just click that. Okay, and then click next. Okay, now we're at the ad level. Okay, I'll just put here sample ad. Here we can upload creatives, or we can select a TikTok post, and that's called a Spark ad, wherein you can choose specific videos that went trending or viral in your TikTok account, and then choose that for you to have an ad. Okay, in this case I'll be choosing that, and then I can't edit the text anymore because it's an existing post. But if you did not choose that existing post, then you can type the text, and then you can also customize the call to action button, which is like this: shop now. There are no added products yet, so what we can do is we can just click this for multi-product, and I can add at least 6 products. I need to click confirm, and so it will be added there. You can also choose single product, just like this one, then posted there. And so that's it. If you want to create more ads, you can just click this, and then I'll just click submit. Okay, now I'll go to campaign. I'll give you another example here. Okay, and I'll be starting over, and I'll be choosing traffic, so I can just show you what's the difference from that. Okay, almost the same here in the ad group level. It's just different in the ad level, because again, you can put a custom identity. You don't have to have a TikTok account for you to run ads, except for the shop purchases campaign. Okay, now here in the identity, you can just click that, and then you can choose the account. Okay, but if not, if you don't have a TikTok account, you can just create. Okay, and then you can even have a customized profile there, and then you can have like a customized display name, and that's not clickable. Okay, so unless they will click the main button, so they will go to the website that you're leading them to, then you can choose the ad format. Now you can put image already, but I would recommend that you really create a video, that one video, and then you can also have collection ads if you have a website connected to your TikTok account. And then here, this is the ad creative. You just click upload, so you can upload a video, or from the library, if you have connected TikTok accounts, you can just get that. Again, that's called Spark ads. And then here, or you can actually create. There's a tool here where you can create video ads directly from the TikTok ads manager, which is really, really cool. You can even automatically generate a smart video. Okay, and then also you can create instant experience. It's like a landing page that's just inside the TikTok ads. You don't have to make a website outside the TikTok platform. You can just create that. Okay, you can put some images there, and it will not load longer anymore, just like whenever you access it and outside the TikTok platform. Okay, this one, you have a choice whether you allow TikTok for your ad to be posted in the TikTok for Business Creative Center, which is again another tool so you can see what your competitors are doing, especially in your niche, or in the same product that you're offering or in the same audience. So you can have those, all of the updates and trends about TikTok ads that will be posted there in the TikTok Creative Center. Okay, so here in the tracking, you can put your website details, especially if you've made a pixel. And then if you're finished with that, then that's it. You just need to click submit. Okay, now after you run the campaign, maybe for a few days, I would recommend that you run it for at least 3 to 5 days. You go to the dashboard, so you can see your campaign performance there, and you can also go to the campaign so you can see more details about each one. So for example, this one, for this example, you can just click this check mark, and then you can see the ad groups that are under that campaign, and then also the ads that are under that campaign. And you can see we have default columns here. You can see the CPM, impressions, clicks, CTR, conversions. I created a custom column, so you can also specify what data you want to see. Okay, but if you can just copy what I do, I do this ROI thing. I named it after ROI so I can get these data. Okay, so you can just, okay, prepare to screenshot. Okay, screenshot that, add those in your column so you can see more information that will be helpful for you to optimize and improve your campaigns. Those are the metrics that you need to check in from time to time, especially if we're the same, we're running shop purchases campaign objective on TikTok ads. Quickly, I'm going to discuss with you how to install Pixel. For you to install a Pixel, you just need to hover over the assets and then click events. And then click web events. And then we just need to create a pixel here. Okay, so to create a pixel, you can just name this one sample, then click TikTok pixel. Again, a pixel will allow you to track the activities of website visitors. Okay, so you can manually install a pixel code. This is just copy paste. Very helpful if you have a web developer, but if not, essentially it's just so easy. Automatically set up web events via partner platform. So these are the partner platforms. If you have Shopify, the only one I have here is only Shopify. So we have also already connected that to our own Shopify account. But again, you can manually install the code. You have here the event builder or the custom mode. I would always choose the event builder. Okay, now we need to copy the pixel code or email this to your developer. Copy that and then go to the header section of your website. Okay, and then put that pixel code there. Okay, again, if you need help with this, you can just ask help from any developer or any person who knows how to code. They're very familiar with this. But I think it will be best if you can make another video about this. So let me know in the comment section if you really want that video, okay? So after that, you just click next and then you will have your pixel live on your website. For you to check if you have already installed the TikTok Pixel, you just need to go to Google and then type TikTok Pixel Helper. And then install this Chrome extension. Okay, just need to wait it. Okay, now it's there. Now we're here in our website. Let's see. Okay, as you can see here, there is one TikTok Pixel that's live. And that's because I've already installed one in the past. So you can just do the same process I did. And then just check this one if there's an active pixel code in your website. So that's it. I hope that helped you and provided you with insights on how to run ads on TikTok. Now, I'm reminding you of our video comment competition. Comment what you have learned, like this video also, and also subscribe because I will be checking that. I will choose one winner who will get a one-on-one consultation call with me for free so we can talk more about TikTok ads, maybe Meta ads. We can talk generally about social media advertising. If you haven't watched yet a full setup tutorial just like this about Meta ads, just click this video. See you there.